Atravessava da mensagem. Atravessava.
Meow meow, nigga.
Hey, you look really beautiful today.
Oh, thank you.
Yo, that one there was a violin.
Dude, we've been looking for you everywhere, dude.
Dude, Bruce,
2 in the morning.
If I can handle it.
Listen, that child is going to be a pro athlete.
Shut your big mouth. I hate you.
I don't give a big fuck.
Atravessava da mensagem. Atravessava.
Walking into the gym on January. Atravessava
massage.
Who in the hell smoked all the weed?
I did. What you gonna do about it?
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Bro, you best.
Get out of me. Cause you're a bitch.
A bee.
She goes, oh.
Bee? How?
No le estés tomando foto a tu huevada. Que...
You're not getting pancakes for dinner.
¿Alguien sol?
Oh my gosh, baby. Many more.
Is it bad? Oh,
Each bowl has 2 packs of ramen, exactly 2 packs.
And I'm usually a 1-pack girl.
Okay, so how old are you?
14 years old.
14. Okay, makes sense, makes sense. So the question of today is, can I take your sister out on a date?
No,
Why do you say that?
because you look like a local version of Rema.
Emotional damage.
Like I know it would. I feel good.
Hey.
Hey, what's up, man?
Why are you so happy back there and I'm taking you to jail?
Hey, man, look at this. I'm so happy, boy. When you're taking me, I got 24 hours away from my wife, man.
My dad dressed up for Halloween.
Listen, it's a good joke. It's a
Attention, koi fish of my dearest pond. King. Let me display to you how women jump to conclusion. King, are you alright?
I'm just fine.
You were saying?
No, but they stayed there conclusively.
They enjoy it?
Willingly.
For how long?
Indefinitely.
iri tangazo rero abakobwa bifuza kuba abasitari. Niba uri umukobwa ukaba wifuza kuba umusitari kandi ufite amafaranga yo kwishyura promota mu Rwanda, nakugira inama yo kugana Shangaza akwigisha uburyo bafite neza abagabo, ubwo nawe ubundi bazagucukura.
Is it bad? Oh,
Look at these dogs. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
dude, I'm dead.
Every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he miss.
I look like I'm like, but that's okay. Oh, don't look at it. Oh. Martin, he's all gone. Look.
All right then. Hey.
Ow, motherfucker!
What you doing, Bob?
I smell some good. Lord, y'all done killed Shirley. I'm calling the damn cop.
Okay, you don't know him.
You tell a black ass fly. That is so...
Buenas tardes, perdona, para Bolonia. Vaya, venga, gracias.
Qué bueno, tío. Ole tú, ole. Qué...
I get it.
Oh, sikalo mo sakalo botula kala gombo.
Photo, not be juju be that.
Like if it was my own son, before people would come here, I could have killed a lot. I'm telling you, look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people. My own son.
I still love you.
My first birthday good man.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Your friend?
No.
Your blood sister?
No. The mother that murdered my mother. Mother and mother. So he's my nephew.
I'm living in pains. I'm emotionally stressed. I'm emotionally downcast. I am so confused. This time around was bunch of women. Bunch of women. Bunch of women. Surrounded in my room. Surrounded in my room when I came. Jesus.
You just invite heat rashes.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
You dey use your function to play. You dey use your generation to play. You dey use your next generation to play.
Obìnrin. Obìnrin.
Photo. No.
Hi.
Okay.
Alright, boys, let's do this.
Iri tangazo y'abantu wese mutaha ubukwe.
Niba uri umuhungu cyangwa umukobwa ukaba ufite inshuti yawe iri kugutumira mu bukwe kandi nyamara ubizi ko yajyaga guhamagara sheri we yabanzaga gukanda 151 ubwo ndavuga kwiguriza. Menya ko mu bukwe bwe ahari kujya inyama muzahasanga agashogoro.
Jaden has $1 bill, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies. How much money does he have? Jaden broke.
That is so